Hey guys, if you booked a flight through Airpaz and need to rebook it, here's exactly how to modify your flight step by step, whether online or with support. Open the Airpaz app or go to the official website in your browser, sign in with your Airpaz account so you can access your booking details. After that, you need to find the reservation. Tap My Tips or Manage Booking and enter your booking reference and last name if prompted. This will pull up your flight itinerary. If you're booking, in your booking details, look for an option labeled Change Flight or Added Flights. Click it to see available replacement travel dates and times. Then you can browse the available flights on your new date and select the one that fits your travel plans. Make sure you review the fare differences and any restrictions before confirming. If the new flight costs more or has change fees, you'll need to pay the difference. Enter your payment information and verify the total before finalizing the rebooking. So this is how you rebook your flight through Airpaz. Open your booking, choose Change Flight, pick new dates and complete payment. If you can't rebook online, contact the Airpaz customer support for help. That's it in this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe and see you soon.